unboxing video today. It's my first one. I technically already opened my Cocokind box because I needed to use the products that I bought ASAP. Labor Day weekend I went a little crazy and stocked up on some of the stuff I've been needing, and I'm just going to go through and just show you kind of what I ordered, and I'll explain a little bit about each product. But if you want any more in-depth videos, I know you guys want to see more Cocokind stuff, so I'll do separate videos just so that this video isn't that long. So like I said, I'm going to do the Cocokind order first. So I got the organic facial cleansing oil, and it's for all skin types. So it says I usually use it says massage small amount of cleansing oil onto your dry face, slowly add water to massage, then rinse off with warm water or wipe off with a soft towel or cotton pad. And I really like it for my face, and you can also put it on your scalp if you are having kind of like dandruff, itchy scalp, so that's great. So this is the Raspberry Jasmine All Over Oil. So I'm not going to open this one. I don't need it yet. Let me go get, actually, I'm going to go get my one that's already open so I can show you how it looks, because it's a roller ball. Okay, so I just grabbed my one. As you can see, I'm literally like on its last end. It actually has jasmine in it, like the actual flower, as you can see. But it has a roller ball top. So I have makeup on right now. I actually have the Cocokind highlighters on, which I'll do more about those in the video of the Cocokind stuff. But this has like a roller ball, so I'll actually go in circular motions, going away from my face like this, and kind of just do that all over. And to get the product out, I'll hold this upside down if it's, low. But then I'll hold it right side up so that more product doesn't come out, but I continuously am massaging the product that's already on my face and it's really helped, I feel like, firm my skin up, get it more plump, and I wouldn't go hard under your eyes or anything, but around the eye area, I can tell my eyes are a little less puffy when I do that. So that's great. The next thing I got was the Cocokind Raspberry Vinegar Toner. And I did use, like I said, I needed to use the stuff, so I did use some. It's usually filled to the top. This is really great if you have acne-prone skin. You can also use this in your hair too. And it smells like the blue Jolly Ranchers. That's what I feel like this product smells like. And next is the primer drops. It's their makeup, but it's more of like skincare. It's not like full coverage or anything. So it's a dropper form. So that's what it looks like, and we would shake it up, and I usually use maybe like 2 or 3 drops on my face. I do have a get ready with me video where I use the primer drops and the highlighters and the colors, as I call it, their powder. So it's on my YouTube. It's get ready with me video if you want to check that out. The next thing I ordered was the powder, and I get it in the light. I get the primer drops in light as well. It has like a sifter on top, and you just tap out some product into the lid and use a big fluffy brush, and you can put it all over, and you put this on after the primer drops. So that, oh no, one more. And my all-time favorite, the Rose Toner. It's organic. It's a bottle. You can use this for everything, like makeup setting spray. I use it as a toner, but like I said, I'll get more into each product when I do a video. And they give free samples of products every month, and this month was the chia seed oil. So this is their cute little sample. Alright, so that was box number 1. Alright, so next I ordered from Hynt Beauty. This is all the products that I bought. I am wearing the mascara right now, and it's been a few months, probably since February, since I ordered their mascara, like since I got their mascara, and I loved it. So I wanted to get more because you're supposed to replace your mascara every like 3 months. Nobody does that, but you're supposed to. So this is the mascara. and it's cruelty-free. It says volumizing formula thickens, lengthens, curls, lifts, and holds lush lashes. I got the black color. This is what it looks like. And I love it. That's why I reordered it, because it's a really good natural mascara. It does get a little bit clumpy for my fine, thinner lashes, but if you already have thick lashes, this would be even better. So that's the mascara. Oh, I ordered samples. So they have cute little sample sizes. So I'm not someone who wears lipstick like all the time. So I didn't want to buy a full lipstick, and you know, these are more natural based, so they are more expensive. So it's great that they have samples. It's perfect. So I got a eyeshadow sample. I don't think I actually ordered this. I think they gave it to me for free, which is nice. So it's pink. Yeah, so I wouldn't probably have ordered this color. So this was a cute free sample they gave though. It's Perfetto eyeshadow in pink quartz. So that's the free sample, but I did order on purpose their lipstick sample. So let's see. The color I ordered is S-H-I-R-A-Z, Shiraz. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Let me see if I can open this easily. Okay. So it's literally like a scooped out thing of their lipstick, and they give you a little brush. So I'm going to put it on. I don't have anything on my lips. I just have chapstick. Actually, let me take a sip before I do this. These are actually all the colors that they have. It says organic based, vegan, 100% GMO free, plant-based complex, boosts water absorption and hydration levels. Let's see. I feel I'm hesitant to judge it based off of applying it with a little wand. I feel like a lipstick applies better like when it's out of the tube, but I'll see. I want to apply it with my finger, but I don't really want to do that either. I think they should give you like a doe foot applicator, if you know what I'm talking about. Like this one's like a brush, but I feel like a padded doe foot one where it's like that soft fuzzy material, it would give almost the same impression as when it's in the lipstick tube, because I feel like this isn't applying it evenly, like it's getting caught in like my lip lines and stuff. So I feel like the color payoff would be a lot better from the tube and not this. So I'm not really judging it too much with this application, to be honest, but the formula itself is nice. It feels really moisturizing. I think this color complements my skin tone kind of well, so I do like it, and probably when I run out of the sample, I probably will buy a full tube just to have a lipstick for, you know, events. So the next thing I ordered was samples of their concealer. Duet Perfect Concealer. All natural formula available in 7 shades. Small amount goes a long way. Budge proof. Lasts all day. It won't clog pores. Full coverage. Hydrating formula. Blends effortlessly. It says apply a small amount onto the hand and warm by lightly spreading it with your fingertips for a melting effect. Then apply to target areas with a dab and softly blend for balanced, even skin tone. So what's really great is it comes with the sample. This was $6 for 2 of them. So it comes with a warm tone and a, like this one says light and this one says medium. So it's gonna be a light version, but more on the cooler side or more on the warmer side, like orangey versus pinky. So I don't know if you'll be able to see these really true colors on the camera. This is light and this is medium. And I don't really want to actually swatch them right now, but I can do more of a video if you guys want, just because I already have makeup on, so I don't want to apply it on top of other makeup. I would rather have it be like my clean skin and kind of judge if it matches my skin tone or not from that. Alright, so that, again, all these goodies, that was Hynt Beauty, so that was box number 2. So it's Rahua Beauty, so this is box number 3. I ordered shampoo and conditioner. So I got the Voluminous shampoo because I currently have their Voluminous conditioner, and I really like it, but I feel like I wanted something a little bit more heavy for the conditioner, but I like the Voluminous line because I have fine, thin hair. So this is their shampoo, and I'm really excited to try this out, actually. I got the classic conditioner. I actually started out 2016 maybe, 2015, I think it was 2016. Started out with this line with their classic shampoo and classic conditioner, and that was when I really started to get natural curls. They weren't as tight as this, but I started to get real actual like ringlets, and that was because of Organic Olivia. She really liked the line, and I splurged and I bought it because these are pretty pricey. I think they're 30 something each, but I think I bought, so we're in what, September? Probably the beginning of the month. I probably buy 2 of these a year. So yeah, it's $30 or $35, but I'm only buying them twice a year. I'm not going through them quickly. So to me, it's worth it. I mean, as a hairdresser, I know that it's worth it to invest in your products. Box number 3, and that was, I think, everything that I ordered. So I am super excited to use these because I've never used the shampoo, like the Voluminous shampoo. So I'll probably do a video on both of these, like a review video on how I like using it. My camera cut out at the end, but I'm just re-recording the ending. So I think I'm going to do a review on these 2 for you guys to see how I like it. And if you guys like these unboxing videos and my first impressions, let me know, and I can do more when I order more products. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Bye. I'm not even going to re-record this because my camera's going to die. Bye.